Hello students, today we are going to learn about adjective. Let's see definition of adjective. Adjectives are the words or the clauses that show the quality of noun, pronoun or provide some additional information about them. In other words, we can say an adjective as a word that describes a noun or pronoun. Now, here are some examples of adjective. First one, Ramesh is brave. When we say brave, to whom we are saying brave means we are telling the quality of Ramesh or giving additional information about Ramesh. To be brave is the quality of Ramesh since Ramesh is a noun. Hence, brave is an adjective. Quality means not saying always good words. It may be negative words. Instead of brave, we can say Ramesh is coward. Then coward is also a describing word. So it will be also adjective. Second one, she was clever. To whom we are saying clever? We are telling the quality of she. And she is a pronoun. So here clever is describing word and here it is an adjective. Let's see third one. I have many few pencils. Many and few gives additional information about pencils. So many and few are adjectives. I will make some tea for you. Here some describes the noun tea. So it is an adjective. Fifth one, Aman is my brother who plays with you. Who plays with you? It will be adjective clause. Why? Okay, I will tell you about adjective clause because we have read in definition that adjectives are the words and also clauses which gives additional information about noun. Here I say who plays with you means about whom I am talking. I am talking about Aman. So I am giving additional information about Aman. So here who plays with you is an adjective clause. Now students, let's see kinds of adjective. First one, adjective of quality. Now question will come in our mind, what kind of? Means we can say they answer the question what kind of, what respect to the noun or pronoun they describe. Now let's see definition. Adjectives are that indicate the quality of a noun or called adjective of quality. Now here are some examples of adjective of quality. Kolkata is a large city. You know, city is a noun. Word large is showing the kind. So it will be adjective of quality. And second word, the boy is intelligent. Boy is a noun. You know, an intelligent word is describing or talking about a boy. So here intelligent is a adjective of quality. Third one, he has a long stick in his hand. You know, stick is a noun. And what kind of stick he has? Means long stick. So long will be adjective of quality. Second one, adjective of quantity means now question will come in our mind how much means they indicate the quantity of a noun or pronoun they describe. Let's see definition of adjective of quantity. These adjectives are measuring words that modify the noun. These adjectives do not provide exact number. Now here are some examples. With the help of example, it will be clear to you. She has enough food to eat. Means how much food? Enough food. You know, food is a noun and enough word will be adjective of quantity. Second word, he showed much patience. You know, patience is a noun And how much patience means much, much. Now, much will be adjective of quantity. I ate some rice. How much rice I ate means some. Now, it will be means word. Some will be adjective of quantity. Now, third one, adjective of number. Now, question will come in our mind. How many? Means we can say they indicate the number of the noun or pronoun they describe. Now let's see definition of adjective of number. These adjectives tell us how many people or things are being called. Let's see examples of adjective of number. 3 passengers got out of the train. Means how many passengers? 3 passengers. Then 3 will be adjective of number. Second one, many friends helped. Means how many friends helped? We are talking about many friends. Then many will be adjective of number. Devyani can speak several languages. Means language is a noun, you know. Then how many languages? Several. So then several will be adjective of number. Now second important thing that about adjective of number, there are two types of numerals. Definite numerals and indefinite numerals. And there are two type of definite numerals. First one cardinals, second one ordinals. Cardinal numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are called cardinals numerals, and first, second, third, last, these are called ordinals numerals. And all, many, few, some, certain, several, these are called indefinite numerals. In example 2, you can see many friends have, then many will be indefinite numerals. Now fourth one, distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives are a type of adjectives of number. These are used to refer to individual nouns within the whole amount. Example, each boy must take his turn. You know, boy is a noun and we are talking about each boy. Then each will be distributive adjective. Second one, none of them paid the bill. You know, them is a pronoun and we are talking about none of them. Then none will be distributive adjective. Fifth one, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives are used to point out or indicate a particular noun or pronoun. Here are some examples of demonstrative adjectives. This boy is stronger than Hari. Boy is a noun, you know, and we are talking about this boy. So here this will be demonstrative adjective. Means we can say these girls, that boy, those boys. These are also demonstrative adjectives. Second one, that book belongs to Ravi. Means book is a noun, you know, and we are talking about that book. So that will be demonstrative adjectives. Third one, these people are very helpful. You know, people is a noun and we are talking about these people. Then these will be demonstrative adjective. Fourth one, I hate such things. Here such is a demonstrative adjective. Why? Okay, I will tell you why. The thing is a noun, you know, and such is also a demonstrative because its points out a specific thing. Means that's why it will be demonstrative adjective. Sixth one, in interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used along with nouns to ask questions. Means when we use words like what, which, whose with a noun to ask question are called interrogative adjectives. Now here are some examples. Whose book is this? Means book is a noun. We are asking about book. Then this will be interrogative adjective. Second one, which bike will you buy? Bike is a noun. We are talking about which bike. So it will be which will be interrogative adjectives. Next one means seventh one, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives show position or belongingness. Now let's see example of possessive adjectives. His books are on the table. Books are noun, and here his will be possessive adjective. I have found my pen. Pen is a noun, and my will be possessive adjective. In third one, my song has not been recorded yet. Song is a noun, and my will be possessive adjective. Because here his, my, and again my, these are showing belongingness. That's why these are possessive adjective. Okay students, I hope that adjective will be clear to you all.